nude eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use like the dark brown color. So I'm going to take my blending brush. I'm going to use the dark brown and I'm going to blend it here. But first I'm also going to use rough. It's like a reddish color. I'm just going to do the whole eye first. And then I'm going to go in with the brown. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I'm all over the place. Then I'm going to go in with the dark brown. I'm going to wing that dark brown out. So how was everyone's Saturday? Okay. And then now I'm going to take some concealer. I'm going to use my Kiss Full Coverage Concealer by IMV. It's called Warm Honey 320. And I'm going to apply that like in the inner corner of my eye. I used to do this a long time ago. This is how I started my makeup. Because I didn't have the concealer base. And I couldn't really afford the concealer base. So I said it had to be something similar to it. So I just started using concealer. And it made it look perfect. Come on guys, tap on that screen for me please. Tap, 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 tap. So I blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner, felt eyeliner pen. And I'm going to use the end of my eyebrow as a guide. Do that, and then I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow. Okay. Just know it's not filled in, but I'm going to go back. I'm going to use rough again. And I'm going to apply it like in the middle because of the model. Hers is like a reddish brown color. And then I have this Bear, which is a nude color. And I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to apply slippery on top. Then I'm going to go back with my eyeliner. Welcome back to my live, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to use a thin layer of the white. This is number VC05. The lashes look so natural. And I'm going to use my favorite lash glue. This in the color clear is the 3D adhesive. And it comes in black as well. So I'm going to apply. I'm just going to put a little here. So, I don't think, yeah, 30 is not old. Thank you, Cool Kurt. I'm going to use Cool Cafe 05 by Absolute New York. Welcome to my live, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. TikTok, tap on that screen, show your girl some love. YouTube, tap on that screen, show your girl some love as well. I think the same thing. I wouldn't hold it all. Exactly. It's like 20s part 2 in my opinion. It is, but you're just more mature. Well, some people are more mature in their 30s, but you know, you kind of know more about yourself a little. I'm going to blend those two colors together. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the darkness, kind of like tone down that light a little bit. Because my skin is kind of like a combine of like a brown and a little light. So just blending out that concealer. I think there's a strange thing with my generation and the minimum generation where people think they are very old. There's a lot of ageism, and I just don't agree. Yeah, that's why a lot of people don't want to grow up. A lot of people don't want to act their age as well. You have a lot of people, especially that's not 30, but that's in their 40s. They want to dress like they still young. And, you know, it's okay to age. Like, I'm not going to care. But all my life, I've been called that I was old. You know, I'm an old lady and this and that. They say I dress old because I didn't show my body. I never revealed my body like that. So, you know, and then a lot of guys start liking me because I don't reveal my body. So, to each his own. You know, everybody have their own preference and everybody like certain things that I can't change. So, you know, I don't even get upset when people do try to be funny, say, oh, you're old. And I'm like, I don't look like you. You all are smoked out. You know, so I'm not worried about what people say about me now like I used to in the beginning. Like, I know I'm not old. I know I definitely don't look old because I don't party and then I don't engage in certain things that's not for me. You know, everybody don't smoke. I might sip wine, but I don't do it like that, you know. So a lot of people don't know how to take you. Okay, TikTok, what you guys think? Did I nail it, or what could I have done better? What you guys think on YouTube? Did I nail it, or what could I have done better? What you guys think on YouTube? But I want to say thank you guys all on TikTok. YouTube, you guys gonna stay on TikTok. Thank y'all for tuning in. I do appreciate everyone coming on and not celebrating. I can't think. I'm having a brain fart. For supporting me. I know I didn't come on yesterday. I took a little mini break. But you guys, we need to get up to 12,000 subscribers. I feel like we so behind. And I just ask you guys, subscribe to my content. Also, share with your friends and family. This channel, or whatever you want to call it, is all about fun. And it's not about right or wrong about doing makeup. So if you also want to collab with me, please let me know. Direct message me. Please be upfront and honest. If you don't want to do it, that's fine. I just want people to come on here, feel comfortable, and just be themselves. And there's no right or wrong of doing makeup. Everybody have their own techniques of doing it. Everybody have a different face structure. So it's all about having fun over here at Modest Transformation by Celeste or Transformation by Celeste. So if you guys are interested, please, please, please